Hi guys! So I just installed my lazy body. It looks crazy. I look so closed up. Pero I'm heading out. I just brought my brother to school here at San Pedro. And I'm going to a place near downtown just to pick up something. It's malikot itong lazy pad. Malikot siya. After which I'm going to Gmall. Mag-grocery ako ng konti. Tapos I'm going to buy something then from there. I still feel so sick. As in, masakit yung ulo ko. Hindi ko na nakita niyo sa mata ko, pero masakit ang ulo ko. Tapos I'll go to JRS Maya to ship something out. Hope I'm focused now. But hi guys! I'm back. I really have crazy cough and colds. My gosh, kailangan ko nga na antihistamine kasi nahatching ako. Hindi pa rin siya nawala kahit na I'm on medication na. I think kailangan kong mag-antibiotic pero hindi kasi ako nag-check up eh. But anyway, I'm heading to JRS. Drop off my shipping and hindi talaga nakapag-vlog kasi talagang I'm not feeling well. Nag-grocery ako, tas I just picked up some a hair product kasi may gig ako tomorrow. Prenuptial gig. So it's gonna be whole day. So I'll feel a lot better tomorrow because I need to feel better. Let's see if I can still vlog later. But hi guys! Welcome back to my vlogs. Today is Friday. It is July 4, 2014 and I have actually just went to DMSF, which is the hospital that I was working for 2 months ago, and then I was informed that there was a slot for hiring for the area that I worked for as a staff nurse reliever, which is the neonatal intensive care unit, which is the ICU for preterm babies as well as term babies. And so I passed a letter of intent or an application, and I just gave it a shot since I'm still waiting for my application for another hospital. Let's see which comes first. I'm just gonna give it a try. And now I am heading to Davao Doctors Hospital. Oh, I'm actually gonna go straight na lang. Hi guys, I'm now here at the hospital. And yes, I finally went here for a checkup. And my checkup is done. I have antibiotics prescribed to me. I have to get them and take them tonight. And I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, I know it's dark, you can't really see me, but I am now in the car. It's already 6 p.m. I brought Pao to school and then I went directly to DMSF, and I also went to the doctor because my cough and colds and flu has been forever with me. 1 week and 2 days na. I had antibiotics prescribed finally, and now it's 6 p.m. I'm heading to Coco's to meet up with college best friends, so I'll bring you guys there. I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, we're now here at Coco's with my friends. This is Hara and Papa Sheldon. Hello. Celine. Cindy. Hi. Kailan ako nag-sige?
Oy girl, yung nagpunta tayo ng second.
Yeah. Yeah. Supportive sila sa pag-vlog ko. But not really. So, here are the stuff that Catalog by Kitty and Kat are selling. So, I actually ordered this one. Yung Chanel na tiger brown something na may Chanel detail. Super nice. I'm super satisfied. Try on ko for you guys.
Ganito ko sa katawan.
I-try mo muna. Gina-vlog na kita. Okay, wala akong masabi. Later ko na pala ipakita yung something eh.
Sa online ba?
Vlog yourself, vlog yourself.
Ay, oo.
Thanks. Sure.
Try the chicken.
Food we have here, the cocoa samplers that I have highly suggested, and my order, which is blue mussel with seafood stuff.
But don't be shaky.
As yun guys, spaghetti bolognese. Yeah, she's trying her best to vlog and not be shaky. It's medyo Trixie.
Ate Hara. At
Ate Hara.
Sorry lahat ng ginagawa.
Ate, good siya. Bye.
Okay. Nice glasses. Yeah.
Thanks to
No?
the owner of Catalog by Kitty and Cat.
Ako
This is
din.
Kitty.
Haggard.
So if you want this glasses, go ahead and go to the description box down below. I'll be putting the link. Bye!
Grabe yung owner.
Gusto mo niya bahay ba?
Nagbahay-bahay sa ni daddy niya.
Hindi ko tulad nila.
Yung viewers.
Yung mga anak nila.
Malipong yung viewers. Hindi nila freebie.
Yung mga anak nila Judy ba? Kaya grabe nila kahilig sa camera. Siya hindi.
It's pink. Hi. You like pink? Hi. Ipa-scare mo kay Hara. Okay. You like pink?
Ipa-scare. Ikaw mo yun ba?
Hara na lang.
Har, mas effective. What? Hindi siya ganun. Ay, babaguan ang forehead. Ah, baby, 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 baby.
Massage. He likes it.
Getting ready, he's getting ready, he's getting ready.
I love you, baby. I wanna kiss you.
Remember Hara, my generous friend. My viewer said I'm so lucky. Celine, Cindy, my med friend.
Best friend.
Yeah, there.
And she's on the phone.
Yeah.
Do you like it, baby?
No.
It's from Tita Hara.
I hate it.
It's from Tita Hara.
Cindy's playing with the baby toy. Educational baby toys.
Education.
Nah, I don't like that anymore.
Yeah, it's boring. It's boring the hell out.
So we're now here at Saging Republic. Super nice. It's a new cafe here. Saging. We're at Saging Republic.
Hi! Like New Republic. Ikaw, Plumpy. Plumpy. Hi! Saging Republic.
Medyo shy.
Right here, Saging Republic.
Oh, she's vlogging.
Yay! The Carla dance.
Oh, we're gonna order here. Here's the menu.
Giging ka. Oh, giging. Oh, ay, dito na lang. Thank you. Amo yung ice latte.
Ayan yung
Mana na ilangan.
New menu.
Saging
Saging, saging ni LV. Ba yung mas saging ni LV?
Ito na lang. Saan dyan?
Here. Hindi ko alam, i-try ko pa. Paper straws! Wala to dito. I wanna try this.
Parang may kakaibang lasa ng paper straw.
Feel ko in the long run. Yoma!
Oh yeah. Joke.
So yummy.
What's the name mo iPhone?
Super creamy.
Pero namatay corn.
I-vlog kita po kaya. This is my friend Poki. Hi! Ano ki-order mo? What's this?
Choco delicious chocolate.
Ay, okay. Naubusan lang sila ng ano. Nalagyan. Oo, okay. So,
First, di ba?
future lawyer, future doctor,
Kuha kayo.
you